Hello everyone, welcome to the daily vlog of Hejiang Anggong Hichuang Technology Co., Limited. Today, we're taking you inside our factory to see how our exhaust systems are made step by step. Firstly, we used advanced 3D design software to precisely model the exhaust system. Subsequently, a CNC tube bending machine bends the stainless steel tubes with high precision according to the design requirements. While some cutting operations are still meticulously completed manually to ensure every detail meets the standards. Next, we showcase the process of flange cutting and the integrated forming of the exhaust pipe. Moving into the welding stage, our experienced technicians, assisted by advanced equipment, precisely fuse the components. Once welding is completed, the welded joints and cut surfaces are carefully grounded and polished to present a near-perfect semi-finished product. Afterwards, our craftsmen perform the finishing touches, and the product undergoes multiple rounds of testing to ensure the exhaust system's stability and reliability. Finally, in the packing stage, all finished products are uniformly numbered and stored in the warehouse, ready for shipment at any time. That's it for today's factory vlog. Thanks for watching. See you next time.